This tutorial will clarify everything for you. By the end, you'll understand how to charge your EV effectively. First, let's explore home charging. Plug in at home using a standard 120 volts outlet. This level 1 charging gives you 3-5 miles of range per hour. Perfect for overnight charging. Next, let's talk about faster options. Utilize level 2 charging at 208,240 volts. This boosts your charging speed to 20-50 kilometers per hour. You can recharge your battery fully in just a few hours. Now, onto highway charging. If you're traveling, opt for DC fast charging, also known as level 3. This powerful option adds between 50,350 kilowatts and charges your battery to 80% in just 20-60 minutes. Looking ahead, let's discuss ultra-fast charging technology. Ultra-fast chargers can now reach up to 1 megawatt. This cutting-edge tech allows you to gain hundreds of kilometers in under 5 minutes. In summary, we covered 4 charging levels. Level 1 for home, Level 2 for faster charging, Level 3 for highway, and ultra-fast options for the future. Now you know how to charge your electric vehicle efficiently. Start exploring these options today.